guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to this week's video. आज की वीडियो के लिए I've been looking forward since such a long time because as you've already read from the title, today we are exploring Landor, which is a 200-year-old magical town of India. And I wouldn't say it's a secret spot anymore because so many people have covered Landor already, but it is still one of those, unvisited and untouched areas in Mussoorie which not many people know about. So if you have already watched my previous video, you would already know that I am in Mussoorie for 3 days. So I've already covered the first 2 days itinerary in that video, and it's a complete guide. Usme I've told you, things to do in Mussoorie, places to visit, places to eat, and it was a super fun packed video. And I would suggest, agar aap Mussoorie aa rahe ho for more than 2 days, I would suggest keep one extra day for Landor separately because there is a lot to see and explore. So let me show you guys the view from a hotel right now, and then let's go and explore Landor together. इतना प्यारा व्यू है hills and valleys का. It is so beautiful. लैंडोर उन जगहों में से एक है जहाँ पे जाके आपको लगेगा कि टाइम कुछ थम सा गया है तो मसूरी से बस थोड़ी ही देर दूर, लेकिन लैंडोर की अपनी ही एक दुनिया है. यहाँ की हर चीज इतनी सुंदर है जैसे किसी फेरी टेल किताब से निकली हो. Back in the British era, Landor was developed as a cantonment town and a retreat for British soldiers and officials due to its pleasant climate and strategic location. Post-independence, it became a quiet retreat for artists, intellectuals and notable writers like the famous Ruskin Bond. अब वैसे तो लैंडोर इज अ माउंटेन लवर्स पैराडाइज, लेकिन अगर आप ढूंढ रहे हैं थिंग्स टू डू एंड प्लेसेस टू सी एंड एडवेंचरस एक्टिविटीज, देन लैंडोर इज नॉट द प्लेस फॉर यू. This is a place that is so magical and laid back that you can decide to do nothing and yet not feel guilty about it. तो अगर आप भी 2024 में 90s की फील लेना चाहते हो तो चलो मेरे साथ टू एक्सपीरियंस द बेस्ट ऑफ लैंडोर. Located at the highest point of Mussoorie, Lal Tibba is a popular tourist spot which provides panoramic views of the surrounding Himalayan mountain ranges and even enjoy views of the famous peaks like Kedarnath and Badrinath through telescopes provided at viewing platforms such as this Lal Tibba Cafe. Cafe does have a small entry fees of 50 rupees per person, which is redeemable on food or drinks that you buy here. इस कैफे में आके आपको बहुत ही रिलैक्स्ड एटमॉस्फेयर मिलेगा, आइडियल फॉर विजिटर्स हु वांट टू एंजॉय अ मील और स्नैक व्हाइल टेकिंग इन द स्टनिंग व्यूज ऑफ द सराउंडिंग हिमालयन रेंजेस. द कैफे हैज बोथ स्टनिंग इंडोर एंड आउटडोर सीटिंग एंड हम गए थे सितंबर एंड में, एंड ड्यूरिंग द डे इट वाज स्टिल प्रीटी हॉट, so we enjoyed the indoor seating and just soaked in the vibes and the atmosphere and really had a good time here. When traveling to Landor, you would need a car and some good driving skills to drive up the steep and narrow roads. But once you are in Landor, to truly enjoy its beauty, just go for a walk and get lost in the lush trails covered with pines, deodars and oaks. यहाँ पे साइलेंस इतनी प्रोफाउंड है that the only thing you can hear is a gusty wind whispering to the tall trees or the dry leaves crushing under your feet. तो बस पहाड़ों में लंबी सी वॉक करके और बग्गी राइड्स लेके हम पहुंचे अपनी नेक्स्ट डेस्टिनेशन पे, जिसका आई हैड बीन वेटिंग फॉर सो लॉन्ग टू ट्राई इट एंड रिव्यू इट फॉर यू गाइज, एंड दैट इज द वेरी फेमस लैंडोर बेक हाउस. This cafe is so charming and is known for its colonial era ambience and delicious baked goods such as cakes, cookies, breads and pies.
अगर आप अपनी लाइफ में डिजिटल डिटॉक्स चाहते हो ना, तो इस कैफे आ जाओ। यहाँ पे ना वाईफाई चलता है, ना फोन की सर्विस आती है, सो यू आर रियली फोर्स्ड टू बी प्रेजेंट इन द मोमेंट एंड स्पेंड टाइम विद योरसेल्फ और योर लव्ड वंस।
Okay guys, so we've got our food here. So the first thing that we got is this almond and rose cake, which looks so delicious. And look at the quantity, it is very generous. So, and it's hot as well. I love moist and warm cakes. So let me give this one a go and see how it tastes.
Okay.
It's very light, very end, and not too sweet. So you're not gonna get sick after having one bite. I can literally finish this by myself. It's really good. Wow, that's very delicious. And then the next thing that we got is the chef's special Asian chicken, and the bread is really soft, and it's got olives, green olives and black olives on it, and tomatoes as well. And the filling is loaded with chicken, and that just looks so delicious. Just look at it. So let me give this a taste test. Very nice. The bread is very soft, very fresh, and the filling is very nice as well. It's a little tangy. I was expecting it to be spicy for some reason, but it's tangy. It's really nice. Thing we have is this basic grilled chicken, and ooh, wow, that looks very delicious. Let's give this a taste test as well. I prefer this one better. This is very nice, very nice. Oh, there's a monkey on the window. And then for drinks, I got a hot coffee, which is very hot right now. So let me take a sip. Wow, this is so delicious. This is perfect. And then we've got a cold coffee here as well, so I'll taste this as well. Very nice. The food is very good.
बेक हाउस जाने के पास अगर आपके पास और स्पेस है इन योर टमीज, देन यू कैन ट्राई आउट द फेमस चार दुकान कैफेज मैगी और द फेमस जिंजर लेमन टी एंड पैनकेक्स ऑफ लैंडोर. बट बाय दिस टाइम वी वर रेडी टू बर्न ऑफ आवर कैलोरीज एंड गो ऑन अ ट्रैकिंग एक्सपीरियंस इन मसूरी.
Okay guys, so अब हम आ गए हैं जॉर्ज एवरेस्ट हाउस पे, which is one of the very popular tourist spots in Mussoorie, and this place is famous for camping, picnic. लोग यहाँ पे trekking के लिए भी आते हैं. और अब if I'm getting breathless, it is because we are walking up the slope. यहाँ से 1.2 किलोमीटर की walk है, and उसके बाद if you want to trek more and get to the highest point here, so वैसे तो we can take buggy here as well. अगर आपको trek नहीं करना है for 1.2 kilometers, buggy भी है for how much? 100 per person की. So we chose to walk and trek ourselves. So उसका 200 per person का charge था. And then if you want to take buggy, then that's going to be 100 rupees more. But yeah, this is going to be fun. So if you are into fitness, if you want to experience some trekking in Mussoorie, then come to George Everest House. तो कह रहे हैं आगे और ज़्यादा डेंजरस है. क्लाउड्स है यहाँ पे, एंड व्यू एकदम ब्लॉक हुआ है, कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा.
लेन पतली करी जा रहे हैं.
हाँ,
जॉर्ज एवरेस्ट पे पहुंच के हमें पैनोरामिक व्यूज ऑफ मसूरी तो नहीं मिले बिकॉज इट वाज सो क्लाउडी, बट व्हाट वी डिड एंजॉय वाज द breathtaking landscapes on our trail and the misty clouds. Everything was just so dreamy. And of course, to end our day today, we obviously had to get the Pahado Wali Maggie. And that brings me to the end of our Landor and Masuri adventures. If you haven't watched the first part yet, please do go watch it. And if you have learned anything new in this video, please do consider subscribing to my channel and supporting this small channel. And I will see you next week with another fun-packed video.